Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights.
In this video, we're examining the Angkla and Servizio SA Bayan Party versus Comelec case, a landmark decision shaping the rules of the Philippine Party-List System. This case centers on whether the allocation of congressional seats under Section 11(b) of Republic Act No. 7941 or the Party-List System Act complies with constitutional principles. In this case, Angkla Ang Partido ng Mga Maranong Pilipino Incorporated and Servizio SA Bayan Party, SBP, argued that Section 11(b) of RA 7941, as applied through the Banat formula, was unconstitutional. This provision allows party list groups receiving at least 2% of the total votes to be awarded one congressional seat and grants additional seats in proportion to the votes received, up to a maximum of 3 seats. The petitioners argued that this two-tiered allocation formula effectively double-counts votes by considering them in both the initial allocation and again in the additional seat allocation, which they claimed undermines the one person, one vote principle and the Equal Protection Clause. They contended that the Banat formula unfairly increases the weight of votes for party lists that meet the 2% threshold, diminishing the influence of those that don't. The central issue was whether Section 11(b) of RA 7941, as implemented through the Banat formula, violates the one person, one vote principle and the Equal Protection Clause. The Supreme Court denied the petitioner's motion for reconsideration, upholding the constitutionality of Section 11(b) of RA 7941. The court concluded that the Banat formula does not violate the one person, one vote principle or the Equal Protection Clause, maintaining that the formula strikes an appropriate balance between fair representation and the prevention of an overly dominant party list presence in Congress. The Supreme Court clarified that it does not require absolute proportionality in party list seat allocation. Congress has the discretion to limit the number of seats a party list organization can hold, allowing a balance between fair representation and preventing concentration of power. The court determined that treating 2%ists differently from non-2%ists in seat allocation does not violate the Equal Protection Clause. This distinction is rationally tied to the legislative goal of ensuring broad representation across party list organizations. The court upheld the Banat formula, which prescribes a two-stage seat allocation. The first stage grants guaranteed seats to organizations with at least 2% of total votes, while the second allocates additional seats based on total vote count without requiring non-2%ists to meet another vote threshold. In summary, the Angkla versus Comelec decision reinforced that the Philippine Party-List system is designed for both inclusivity and fair seat distribution. By upholding the Banat formula, the Supreme Court emphasized that proportional representation can coexist with structural limits to balance influence within the party list framework.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.